Hi, I'm Clay Hedrick, sales consultant with Baker Products. Behind me here I have a Baker A band resaw I'd like to show you. This is a standard machine for us. It has a 6-inch feed conveyor on it. It's all hydraulically controlled, variable speed, 0 to 120 feet a minute. This has a standard hold down on it. We have an option for a powered in feed hold down as well. This machine also has a slide return on it. This is a very nice setup for pallet operations running shorter material in cans. We do offer this machine with a variety of different options though. Again, powered hold down, powered holdovers. This one has a 20 horsepower electric motor on it. We offer it with gas as well, or a smaller 15 horsepower motor. The return conveyor can be mounted to the other side. We also have a one-man return conveyor system. One person can operate the machine. This machine comes with a simple raise and lower system for the conveyor so that you can adjust the cutting thickness to anything that you would like, from 0 to 5.5 inches. Our Baker A resaw comes with a dust collection port. It's a 6-inch square down to a 4-inch round. This device can be turned either up or down or sideways to match whatever your dust collection is already set up for. Standard, our machine comes with a full electrical panel, includes your starters and your motor overload protection. Again, we have several different power options for the machine, and we can match just about anything that you would ever need for that. This machine has a 6-inch wide conveyor. It will take a 6-inch wide by 12-inch tall part through the machine. It'll take a 7x7 or even out to a 4-inch tall by 10-inch wide. If you need a larger capacity machine, we make a variety of machines. One is a version of this called the AX. Our machine uses a spring tension system to set the tension on the blade. It's very simple, T-handle. You can loosen it up, tighten it back down. We have spacers right here. When you tighten back down to those spacers, the tension's set correctly on the blade, even if the blade varies in length a little bit. This is a handle for opening the door to give you access to the interior of the machine where the wheels and the blade is located. We use 28-inch all steel precision machined wheels on our machine. We also have a low profile flat guide system with a backup roller behind that to guide our blade. After you've changed the blade and reset your tension on it, you're ready to go back to work. Just simply close the door. Again, we've been manufacturing this machine since 1992. We've developed a lot of options for the machine, and it's being used in just about any kind of wood application that you can imagine. As I mentioned earlier, this machine comes with a complete hydraulic system. It's all self-contained. It has its own hydraulic tank, flow control valve, and shut-off valve. The pump's driven by the main motor, so there's no external machines or pumps or equipment needed to run the machine. When it comes and sits on your floor, you hook up your electric, your dust collection, you're ready to run the machine. This is the outfeed end of our simple slide return right here. What happens is, you'll see when we demonstrate the machine, is your cant or your square comes through. The square is sheared off the top of the board, drops onto the return, and it automatically goes back to the operator in the front of the machine. The board comes straight out so that it can be stacked at that time. Again, this is a nice setup for shorter pallet length material, but the machine can be used to cut any length of material, 20 feet long or longer if you want. As I mentioned earlier, this machine is being used for a variety of things. One is we can put a tilting option on it so that you can cut lap siding, or you can use it to maximize your yield out of molding and trim. It can be used to saw anything with a flat side, with slabs, 2-sided material, 4-sided or 3-sided as well. It's being used in instrument manufacturing plants, molding and trim, door skins, windows, again, just about any application you can imagine.